Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this Maleficent outfit on Dress to Impress. So what I'm going to do first is I'll just do the makeup because it's the closest one right now. I have mine saved. It's basically something like this. If you don't have the custom makeup, you could use this one, but the skin tone would be a little bit different. But that's okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. And you're just going to walk here and you're going to color your skin tone black. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to color the gloves short. Well, make the gloves short, and I'm going to color it this color, kind of the same as my face. Then let's use this item and we're going to color this black and the sleeves this purple. Actually, I might make it a little bit darker, the sleeves. Maybe that one. Did I even change it? Okay, I did. Okay. Now I'm going to select, this one. And I'm going to color almost everything black except for the second one. And the last one purple as well. Alright. Next, you're going to go to this closet, changing room, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to use this dress. And I'm going to do the type 4 one. Or you can just do the skirt if you'd like to. But I'll just do this one. Actually, if I do the skirt only, can I color it that? Will it show? I mean, kinda. Okay, let's just do this one. It's okay. Then once you're done, you're going to grab these heels. Like so. Then you're going to go in the VIP section. Yes, you do need this because you need these horns to make it look like you're Maleficent. Then you'll need this, but you're going to color it like this. Okay, so the first one black, the second one you'll color it black as well. The third one you're going to color it this purple, and then the rest color it black. And you have something like this. This looks good already, but you can upgrade it with some more accessories to make it look more like Maleficent. Go again inside the changing room. Grab this bird and select the hand one. You can do shoulders, but you can't really see the bird because of the cape. So do hand. And if you can also grab this. But I don't know how well it works with the bird in hand. Oh, it's just going to go on that one. On the thing, I guess. Okay, just do the on shoulder one maybe. I'm trying to find a good way to place it. Okay, let's do default like that. And I'm just going to kind of make it a little bit more gold. And for the second one, I'm going to color it this green. I might just put it in the cage or something. Or you can put it on your shoulder if you want. It's up to you if you want to use the, I don't know, the wand or not. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.